Here's how to make the most divine carb-free chocolate mousse. It's fully legal and it's delicious, and it even includes raw cacao powder, which is a health food. So let's do this. There I am whipping up some full-fat cream cheese, 250 grams whipped up, and I also whipped up some cream just to get both the full-fat cream cheese light and fluffy, and also the cream light and fluffy. There they are. There's the cream and the cream cheese, and I fold the cream into the cream cheese. Just fold them all together. We want to keep it light and fluffy for now. Well, it's going to stay light and fluffy, but just for now you fold it together. Then after that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and don't worry, the ingredients are in the post that go with this little video. So there we go. You fold in the vanilla essence. There I'm adding 1 cup of xylitol granules, and I'm adding 4 tablespoons of raw cacao powder. Then after that a pinch of salt, and I fold those together. Now I can see here it's a little bit dry, and I don't want to put the mixer in immediately because the powder will fly everywhere, and I'm adding just a little dash of extra cream, which has not been whipped, so it's still runny, just to soak up some of those extra powders. And there I am blending it. Now because we've used the xylitol granules, it's not powder form, it's going to take a little bit of blending so that those granules get dissolved, so that you just put your fingers in there, pinch, and when you can feel they're dissolved, you're good to go. Now our presentation was not great. Next time I will use a piping bag and it'll be a lot easier. So you do it the easy way next time. Well, when you do it, you pipe it in to the glass direct, and then you do the same. You pipe in whipped cream on top, and it'll look a lot neater than mine did here. But let me tell you, it was absolutely delicious.